Hello friends, welcome to Network Security 2. My name is Pravesh Rajoria and today in this video we will discuss about F5 Big IP Access Policy Manager authentication with the Active Directory servers. So for like APM, it interacts with the AAA server that contains user information, and also APM support the AAA servers like Radius for authentication and accounting, Active Directory for authentication and query, LDAP for authentication and query, and TechS Plus for authentication and accounting. Also Secure ID and HTTP. There is some additional also. Okay, so for as per part of the authentication, an APM server's configuration object that specifies information about the external AAA servers, and also an APM policy that includes a login item to obtain credentials and an authentication item that uses the credentials to authenticate against a specific AAA servers. We can add multiple authentication types to an access policies. For example, a user who fails AD authentication might then attempt radius authentication, or we might require authentication using a client certificate and then a AAA servers. We can add a authentication item anywhere in the access policies. So let's see how to do in the real time. Go to the F5. So this is my lab setup here. We have one external user that is connected to the internet, and on the F5 interface 1.internet and 1.2 for internal LAN. We have one management and one admin user is connected to the management LAN. Go to the F5. This is our F5 here. I am using version 13.1, that's the latest version. So we'll verify first the configuration. Go to LTM network map, and here we don't have anything. So first of all we will create nodes, then pool members and virtual servers. After that we will do the testing. So log into the F5 in the command line. Oh shit. Yep. So we can see here, first we will verify the version DMSH. Okay, so we have version 13.1.0.1 with the world of 0.0.8. It's the latest version. Okay, so first we will create here nodes, then pool and pool members, and then virtual servers. So it won't be take much time. LTM. So we have created pools, pool members, nodes and virtual servers. Let's refresh the page. Reflect here. Yes, so we have nodes, pool members, pool, virtual servers. So first of all you will test our configuration without authentication profile. So our WIPS IP is 192.168.225.150. Okay. Yeah. Yeah, it's Cisco. Before that was a F5. Now it's Cisco. If you click here, it will go to the Cisco web server. Okay. Yeah, it's Cisco. Go to the back to refresh now. F5. Okay, now it's F5. So now it's working. Now we will apply authentication profile, that the APM profile. So before accessing these servers, it will ask authentication, and the users who have the credential in the AD web servers only can access these web servers. So go to the APM authentication, select the authentication methods, go to the Active Directory, create, specify the name. So I can take web server authentication. DC 10.99.01. Click finish. Go to the APM and profiles. Create a profile. Here we will specify the authentication methods, like how it will authenticate, where it will be authenticate. Okay, so we can take anything like all APM, LTM. I'm using here LTM, GTM and APM, so I selected. You can select the all, or as per your requirement select the language. Finish. Wait. Okay. Click edit. Here we required first, when the traffic will come or any external user will try to access the web servers, it will ask the credential first. Okay, so select the login page. It will occur for login prompt, add item. Here it will ask the automatically username and password. The username and password should be belong from the user who have in the AD domain. Click save. Now select the authentication method. So click on this add item. Click authentication. And we are going for authentication AD. So select Active Directory or AD. Select the server. Click save. After that, when it will successful, then it will be allow. So select allow. Apply the access policy. Close. Go to the virtual servers. Click virtual server. apply this access policies. That profile be created now. We'll select HTTP as well. Okay, and access policy. Click update. Okay, so come back to the servers. Now we will access the VS. It will ask the credential. Also we can refresh the page first and we'll test. Yes, now it's asking your username and password. So here I will try to access via administrator. Yes, it's accessible. Okay, Cisco web server. And here also I will refresh. We'll close the session and restart the session. Okay. Yes, now we will try to another user test. Yeah, it's working. So before that I will show you the users on the F5. We have only one users, and this administrator and test belong to the AD servers. So go to back to the F5, go to the systems, user. Yes, we have only one. So this authentication with the Active Directory is successful. And next video I will show you how to do user authentication with the Active Directory servers. So thanks for watching. Please like, share and subscribe my channel. Thanks.